Alright guys, so today I got this Sterling Premium Silver Beef that was on sale at the grocery store. So I'm going to put this in my air fryer and I'm going to do a quick review. So I'm going to season it first, of course, and then I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and then I'll see how well it turns out. So stay tuned guys, and what am I going to cook it in the air fryer? I think the best has been, it's been around 10 minutes in like 190, so yeah, I'll be back guys. Let's get this ready. Alright guys, there it is. As you can see, it is seasoned and ready to go in the air fryer. And I gotta put it in for 190 at 10 minutes, and I'll let it rest after that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, the steak is all done now. This is that premium grade steak, so like it was on sale. So let's do a quick taste and see how it turned out. Now this is in the air fryer. It still looks juicy still. Yeah, it's tender. You know, I don't know if it tastes that much better than like a regular steak, but at least it's nice to try out. Like it tastes like a regular steak. The air fryer makes it cook pretty good, but it is, I guess, less gristly. So yeah, so definitely check it out. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.